The topic of today's video is how to buy crypto with a credit card on Trust Wallet. Alright, so here we are in the Trust Wallet app, and what you can do is use any of the two blue highlighted options here that say buy, and it'll bring you to the screen where you can select the amount of crypto you want to buy, but let's change our crypto here. Actually, let's just leave it on BTC, but this is where you can choose your different cryptocurrencies. So there you'll see 150 USD gives us that amount of BTC. And what we want to click on is over here where it says Google Pay. Then we're going to click on Pay With. And in here, we just need to choose card. And then we need to choose our provider. So let's stick with Binance Connect. So click on Binance Connect. There we go. Now all you need to do is say buy now. Now that'll take you straight to your provider. So for us, that'll be Binance. And it'll bring you to the screen here. And just click on continue. And then it'll bring you to the screen where you can input your card information. And when you're done there, all you need to do is hit confirm. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.